Hello everyone, hope you all fine. Today I am going to explain you exercise 3.3, but before explaining 3.3 exercise, I want to explain you some basic concepts, though I have explained all these basic concepts in my previous video also, but just have a look again. This vertical line is known as y-axis and denoted by y dash. Similarly, this horizontal line is known as x-axis and located by x dash. And this is the positive x-axis and this is the negative x-axis. This is the positive y-axis and this is the negative y-axis. And we have to locate the point like this. I have just done it for you. You can see that it's x-axis. This is y-axis. And we will locate these points in 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 1 2 3 4 and 1 like this, and these are known as the quadrant. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. As I told you in earlier my previous video also, all the points which are of positive like 3 comma 2, you can see that this is positive, this is also positive, so these plus type points will lie there, and minus 3 comma 2 will lie here. Why? Because you can see that x-axis is negative and the y-axis is positive. So this is x point and this is y point. This is x point, this is y point. X is positive, y is positive, so all positive will lie here. This in between the second quadrant, you can see that x is negative and we always write earlier x. Then in second point we will write y. This is called abscissa and this is called ordinate also. Now see that it's minus 3, and so minus and plus type coordinates comes in this coordinate. Now this quadrant. Now see the third part. You can see that the x-axis is negative and this is also negative. So the minus 3 comma minus 2 type questions coordinates will lie there, as you can see, and we can say that minus type coordinates will also lie here. Now move to the next quadrant, the fourth quadrant, because you can see that the x is positive and y is negative, so the minus 3 comma minus 2 type coordinate will lie there, because there here you can see that the x coordinate is positive and the y coordinate is negative. So we can write it like minus, plus and minus type coordinate will lie there. So you can see that all the positive type coordinate will lie here, minus plus type coordinate will lie here, and minus type coordinate will lie here, and plus minus type coordinate will lie on the fourth quadrant. Now move to the question. See the first question of this exercise. You can see that in which of the quadrant do each of the point 2 comma minus 4, 3 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 0, 1 comma 2, 3 comma minus 5 lie. Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. That's mean we have to find out that these points are lie on which quadrant, and we have to locate these points on the Cartesian system 2, Cartesian plane 2. Now you can see that these points, we have to tell that these points will lie on which quadrant. As you can see that it's minus plus type, and minus plus type coordinates comes on the second quadrant, so it will lie on the second quadrant, and this plus minus type lies on the fourth quadrant. It will lie on the fourth quadrant, and but you have to just see it very carefully that it will not lie in any quadrant, because there is 0 means in y-axis there is 0, means you are moving in the x-axis only, not in y-axis, so it will lie on the x-axis. And the next one is 1 2, both are plus, so it will lie on the first quadrant, and the last one is minus, so it will lie on the third quadrant. Now we have to locate all these points. So the first point, minus 2 comma 4. So minus 2 comma 4, minus 2, first you will move here, minus 2 comma 4, so you will lie in front of the 4. So this is the point which is minus 2 comma 4. Now the second part is 3 comma minus 1. So 3 first you have to move in the x-axis direction, in positive x-axis, then -1 is there. So this is the point which is known as 3 comma -1. The next one is -1 comma 0. -1 in the x-axis with negative direction -1, but 0 means in y-axis you will not move anywhere, so this will be the -1 comma 0, this point. The next point is 1 comma 2. First you will move here 1, then you will move 2 in y-axis, so this is the point which is known as 1 comma 2. The last one is -3. -3 means in x direction you will move -3, then in y direction you will move -5. So you will move here -3 and -5, so this point is -3 comma -5. Now move to the next question. Now see the next part. In next part we have to plot these all the points on the table on this Cartesian plane using suitable units. You can see that the maximum is 8. So we can take the units as 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Now see how we will solve it. You can see that for this question we will first make a Cartesian coordinate, and in which you can see that the maximum value of y is 8. So when we will draw this x-axis and y-axis, we will take the exact equal value and we will take the y-axis up to 8 because we require the maximum 8 number. Now see that, so first we have to locate -2 comma 8. For that first we will move minus toward to the x-axis direction and then 8 to the y direction. So you can see that this is the main point. Now see the next part. The second part is -1 comma 7. So first you will move -1 here and then 7 here. So this will be the exact point. Now see the next part, 0 comma -1.25. So 0 means in x direction you will not move here and you will not move here, means you will be there in the origin position, this position in origin, and -1.25, that's mean -1 is this, but 2.25 will lie just between it is is less than half of the distance between -1 to 2. You can see that we can locate here -1.25. Now see the next part is 1 comma 3. It's 1 and 3, so this is the point. Now see 3 comma -1. So 3 comma -1, you can see first we will move here 3, then -1 is here, so this is the last point. Thank you very much. Now this chapter has finished. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.